this is Arpit Verma and you're watching Arpit Verma Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I would be teaching you that how you can edit your photo to the next level and with just a click. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting, please subscribe the channel and also like this video and also hit the notification bell so that you never miss any notification. So let's begin.
So first of all, to edit you have to download a app, Big Shot Photo Editor. You can see I'm downloading it from the Play Store, or if you are an iOS user, just download it from the App Store. Once downloaded, just click on the open button and here's its interface. You can see a lot of stuff. Just have to click on spiral and select the photo which you want to edit. So I would like to edit this photo. So as you can see, there's a lot of spirals and you can adjust it, and you do not need any pro version or you have to pay. All the modes are just free, so it looks nice, and you don't have to erase it. It just automatically adjusts like this, as you can see. So I would like this one too in my photo, yeah. And let me adjust it. You can adjust it in whatever way you want to. So yeah, now it is looking nice, I think so. But I don't like my background, so how to change it? And a lot of more things are available, as well as love frame, background images, and something all wings you can also apply. So you can change the background just with a click. Just click on the background and just click any of the photo, and you can see it's nicely done. And how nicely done, you can see that it is just with a click, and you can change its background. There are lots and lots of choices, and you would got confused. And as you can see, there's a lot of choices and you do not need any pro version. So I would like this to be my background, and I think it's looking good. You can comment down that how it is looking. Now coming on to the motion, as you can see, now there is some motion, since multiple images are coming at the background. As you can see, it's nicely done, and you can check the opacity. Now moving on to blur, you can blur the background, but I think it's nice image and I would not like to blur it. Once done all the stuff, then you just have to click on apply and just click on save to gallery, and it's nicely done. It must be saved in your gallery. For proof, I'm opening my gallery, so let me go to my photos and albums. As you can see, here's my photo, and nobody can say that it is the same photo that I first used it to edit. So guys, if you like this, then please guys, subscribe my channel and also like this video. And if you want more videos like this, then just comment. Thank you for watching.